Our Cradlewise unit was shutting down in the middle of the day and the night, causing great sleep disruptions to our child's parents. And if you look how this wire was routed, underneath the unit, there are 2 points where it's secured by zip ties and foam around the square tubing. I'm pointing to the first place, and then there's a length of wire that is again secured by zip ties and foam tubing here, foam around the square tubing here, and then it plugs in to here. Now I'll take the cord that I just removed, and there is a clip that I removed by lifting up this plastic here and sliding it out. And so now just look with me here. I'm looking because this wire was getting bounced and twisted and torqued over and over as the unit was being used. And you can see here they've taken shrink tubing and placed it over the end of the wire. Oh, wait. Customer service told us to record it stopping or something, but that wasn't how you fix things. No, you can see here that this wire is damaged and there's bare wiring exposed. So when this is shorting out, it's creating a sound and shutting itself down as a safety measure. And that speaker probably is being used in a way it wasn't supposed to when there's electricity flowing through the frame or whatever, and it was and popping. We could hear that happening when we're looking at it from the outside. Of course, it's not as easy to see this when you're looking at it through all this trash, all of the parts of the cradle.